Welcome back, Mbugeli, to episode 3 of a fucking blindfold date. And so, Bafetu, a lot is about to get down, and Bafetu, when I mean it's about to get down, Bafetu, it's about to get down. Sizoshona, Sizoshona. As you can see the vibe Bafetu, I've got a boy and the girlie, but the question is when ubabona benjani. So Bafetu, we're still about to find out. So I'll start with the lady. They say owner ladies first. So Ntwana, like ever since you've been yourself, ufuna ukai onja.
Yo, ngifuna ukai like umudeni ona respect, osithanda yabo. I like ukai onja njani. That's all.
That's all. And when ngapha Grootman ufuna ugelo njani mfethu?
Mina ngifuna ugelo naye osihloniphayo, osithandayo.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's all.
That's all.
Yeah.
So like what can you say right now, guys? Do you both feel nervous, guys? Lethukile noma?
Mina ngiright.
I wonder.
Right, when ngapha?
I'm great.
Don't give a fresh. Won't give a fresh in Bukit, that's as you can see. So but we're still going on. So like when like ever since you've been yourself the longest relationship yakho ingaki? Okay.
It's a month.
A month.
Yeah.
Saretsa dipari a re bana ba hao
Ngapha mo girl?
1 year, 1 month.
1 year, 1 month. So like what can you say about two ule 1 year, 1 month, but two guy ule 1 month? Like how does this make you feel?
I feel angazi ngokwakhe.
Awazi. When I'm mfethu ngapha when I'm mfethu how far why longest we 1 month?
Most of abantu abazana enhlangana nabo ngathi abazazi
lezo zinto. I can feel the vibe. I can feel the vibe. So guys, ngani ama voice in. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we're still going on. Bafethu, make sure you purchase Amadanko and make sure you purchase Amadanko jeans. Amadanko jeans Bafethu, and don't make sure you forget to subscribe. So we're still going on, guys. So like when what can you say about the voice era guy?
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
And when I like Mfethu, what can you say about the voice guy girl?
No, right. I can't complain.
So like Mugelo when ungelo groove or gumbi into
I groove indoors man.
I'll groove indoors. So like you tandama uhamba outdoors, extrovert actually.
Yeah.
Oh, and when I'm about fan fit,
I'm groovy man.
I'll groove.
Yeah.
Okay, then when I'm at I plug othanda ukushaye liphi Mfethu, like your favorite plug?
Ngithanda ukuphuza. Yeah.
Mawushaya ngebhodlela ushanga liphi lakhona?
Gin.
Igin.
Yeah.
Liphi yakhona igin?
Maningi nje yami.
Maningi amagin.
Maningi.
Maningi amagini. So but we still going on, and when Antwana like what can you say about umjita and uthi vele aka groovy? Do you think ukuthi ngaba happy kwe?
Yeah, alright umjito ngagrooviyo.
Yeah.
Mina ngifuna umjito groovayo mina vele.
Yeah.
So alright.
So like when I'm Mfethu when it comes to ama challenges kuma relationship also face leyo you happy so that unga affect kuma girlings.
From my previous relationship inkinga umntana lo benlaye bekazizwa kakhulu i-problem yabo.
Yeah.
And sometimes ukuthi ngimbone yabo buscars yabo. So mina ngifuna umntana lo engazizwi, and futhi mangifuna ukumbona yabo she must be available regardless what she's doing. I don't mind if she's busy yabo, but at least even nesikhathi naye yabo. Na even nesikhathi sami yabo. Yeah, that's all, bro.
Ideas of Bafethu zethatha Mbugile, but I would like to know kuma girlings.
Mina sengaba naso isikhathi ni mara sometimes ngekho phela. It's not like ngihlala ngikhona every day. Nami khona izinto kumele ngizenze yabo.
Okay. It's warming up, man. But like so guys, like when I'm Mfethu, what's your love language?
Anginayo love language.
Awuna love language.
Anginayo.
Alezo bafethu uthikala love language, but please say on the comment section ukuthi umuntu ongela love language ngonjani, uphila kuphi umhlaba, but mina kangazi kodwa maybe sizobona ukuthi yakhe yipi. And my sister, wena what's your love language?
Physical touch.
Physical touch. Uthi physical touch wena ungakhona ukumbamba bamba?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind if into ayithandayo ngithi. Yeah, then I wouldn't mind.
Okay, so lezombukeli zathatha, but we still going on to gele yakhe physical touch. So like when it's your girl, do you believe in love at first sight?
I don't believe shame.
I'll believe.
Yeah, being a believer.
Yeah.
Manje believe.
And manje vela awusayibhayi vele.
Ayi.
So-
Vele abafanayo.
So vele first sight vele mayibhom vele.
Eh.
Yo faka amabhom la. Boom. Yo. And when I'm fit, do you believe in love in first sight?
Oh dang, and I don't believe.
That I don't believe.
Yeah.
So I'm fair to like tell me macala kwami like what's your style of ukugqobha bo like ukuthatha abo girl like nje ukuthi naye bekubona ukuthi hale insizwa phela ish the guy has arrived. The guy is here.
I just be myself, bro. Like ngiyamlanda ugela de.
Yeah.
Ngiyamlanda straight yabo.
Yeah.
Ngikhulume naye yabo. Regardless if ulabangani bakhe noma A1. Yeah.
Hey, lezo bafethu zathatha mbukile prestu ko but Miguel, I would like to know ukuthi wena like when it comes to complexion kuma relationship uthanda abantu abanjani, abayi Cremora lo baba yi Coca-Cola lo baba yi Fanta lo baba yini like
I mean ngifuna umuntu ongathi amelanga ukuthi ube yikhokhu kakhulu yabo.
Yes.
Mele ube ngathi ngcono nyana phakathi naphakathi.
ube semaphakathini ube ngathi yi chocolate something like
Yabo.
but engabe imnyama kakhulu.
Emnyama kakhulu.
So uthanda umuntu obuff like kumbe oyislender like like ufuna njani?
Izilenda ngizifuni mina.
Awusifuni. Ufuna zokuka ntwana.
Ozokuka ayilokuthi makangangibambe ezathi uyandlimaza.
Yo! So mfethu nje ubuza ukuthi ugele ufuna umuntu wanje yena ethi wena fa?
Mina ngila preference nje yabo. Like regardless if umntana ngaba mnyama yellow bone, I don't have preference yabo. Ngithanda umntana enjalo yabo. As long as naye uzangithanda yabo.
Yeah.
Kanjalo.
Yes, but it's still going on. We are getting heated. As you can see, the guy's face, my favorite tear sweater. Yes, she's a nice cut of summer, baby. We still going on. So like when I guess maybe saying niggas is cut less like the moments ukuzilifila izandla iqhube sakho mfethu. Emogelings iqhube sakho escalift please. Just feel the hand like yes. Feel sibambe like layo bambe like just feel the hand like they are feeling the hands. You remember when back I was at school? I used to do school going to write lyrics because I knew I had so many bars. So ke luzwenjani isandla sikamchiti?
Asiwomile.
Hey, siwome kakhulu ntwana.
Asiwomile. Yo asiqinile shame. Yo kanti usebenza amatsheni.
Yo hey yazombuke. But I'm not laughing at all when I'm fit now. What can you say about isandla sikageli?
It's like it's soft.
Si soft.
Yes.
Njenge Albani. Siyazwakala uthi ngesesimama. So when my sister unofuna indoda elezandla ezinjani since lesi siqini ngathi usebenza ezitinini.
Fanele ukuthi siqine kakhulu yabo uzakala ukuthi izandla zendoda.
Yeah.
Mara esakhaya siqinile yo.
Yeah.
Siqine kakhulu shame.
Alezo bafethu bathi isandla siqinile but kodwa siqina siya ngapi? Before we go forward, don't forget to subscribe bafethu as you can see lana ukuthi kwenzakalani. So ona mfethu manje bathi siqinile isandla sakho mkhaya. So since like when isandla sakho siqinile mfethu like what can you say mfethu when it comes to girlfriend allowance like uzobe umnikeza malini ngenyanga monthly? Sifune amabhiya mani, sifune utshwala konke le mali ukuze sikhona ukuphila mona mfethu. La ufaka imali ecacayo okumbe ayi issue
Mina maximum amguy 2000.
Akufakwa magada basofa
2000 on the dot 2000 is my sister ayithatha 2000 ndo buyayiya
Nginyala imali.
yayithatha
Ngiyayithatha ngigijima.
so even loba kung any guy ozokunikeza like it's 2000 like lo even enjani you wouldn't mind because when yabuhambela for 2000
kodwa ngiyahamba makuyimazi ngiyahamba.
makuyima
Wanzwana ne?
wira so e motho a bolela tla ka bad energy no e dira hore futsek mara we bolela ka marapelo o sa e bolela straight a tlalo a lwela.
Oh no, that's so wow. That's a sweet thing. Like it's a sweet bar, but I won't understand it if my English. Okay, but so like when I get like guy ma ekutanda, like what are the things that he's supposed to do for you, like is umjida wakho ku relationship ongamelanga wena uzicele but yena ekwenzele out of engakubuzanga vele la ungambuzanga, you understand? So
ish ayilapho angazi kuyobonakala khona hayi.
Okay, so wena mfethu wena as umuntu uyabesele mama like you expect to mama yena ekwenzeleni out of the blue ungamcelanga ungamtshelanga.
Naye ngangisurprise like a surprise gift or anything yabo. Regardless to yena into if she's willing. Yeah, yeah.
But we still going on mbukela simi ngembuzo. So when my sister like what's your biggest turn off emuntwini ku relationship? Into ehle ukhiphe vele like you feel like you're out of place, bra.
Vele ebona ugayo uthanda ukushuda nabo geli or sometimes I'm a little replies vele ngawazonda.
Thanda attention. Yes, keep on going.
So yeah, that's all nginakhona.
You okay? And when ngapha mfethu when offer
my biggest turn off is ma umntana angazinakekeli ayi turn off yami straight yabo.
Yeah.
Mara if yasinakekela then
yeah
good to go.
But we're still going on. A real quick cool question that I'm about to ask him. So Ntwana like what's love to you so that umjida mali oni ebekwazi Ntwana? Like just define love in your own way, like the way you understand love Ntwana.
Hi.
And it's Fumba perfect, babe. Show me, we can't be perfect, but we are trying to be perfectizing. Instead of perfectizing, why would we sanitize in relationship and say, we say pale. So show me, like, what's love to you?
I mean, understand your voice.
I'll understand, Vin. So, I should turn the Lamampela Galtul. Thank you, yes, what you told Tandul. She hasn't found true love, but when I'm fair, what's your definition of love?
For me, dog, love, I can say a person that cares about you, person that values you.
Yeah.
Like umuntu oktata, like how can I say, like like Muto.
My brother, you are shaking. You are shaking.
Go, where's the phone? Hey, mind you,
My brother is shaking. Don't shake my brother. Feel free. Yeah, okay, that's what you can say.
Yeah.
Okay, but I'm not going to tell this upon us. We didn't get to pay the live show. But there comes our one moment special time where I am taking off a break and Samba Shia Bafetu Bay 2. Meaning good to mina, and saying again I've tried my part, Njalile, Nyakinga, Nyasweta, X, Yavona Manj, but still we going on if Naiko. Why laugh? I'm fan, but so. Zolshiyela mic ngizosukuma let me design you ukuthi ngihlole Johnny Fruitman go shift lesitulweni esesenta this side to your right shift hlala esitulweni to your right hlala esitulweni to your right it thinks okay so nayi ngicoba mbi mic guy nayi so selingabuzani imbuzo for that period of time yabo yeah so then okay ithi ibambe kahle la yabo ungapress power button. Okay, now again. So ngambuza umbuzo. Just five questions each. Washa? Qala.
Even qala.
Yeah.
I ngimbuza ngina bafo.
Yeah, ngambuza, feel free. So this mic emntwini.
Yo. Inkinga yaqala into so yabo.
Ambuze like izi.
Okay, like sawubona. umbuzo ngakubuza ukuthi okay igama lakho ubani uqala?
So ndezi mic duze lo mlomo wakho.
Amanda.
Alright, mina I'm Jason. Amanda njabula ukwazi like cela ukubuza umuntu onjani?
Mina ngumuntu othanda ukuhleka yabo. Nje uthanda ukujabula. Voice. Angikwati yabo. Something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your favorite sport?
Netball.
Madam Pizzi, guys, voice projection. Yeah.
Netball pet.
Yeah, netball. Sometimes I tend to try yabo.
Okay. What do you like doing on your free time?
Eish. Send channel ngana spare me pipe, that's all. Okay. Yeah.
The pipe pet.
Yeah, sometimes we pause.
Okay. So are you single or you are Joel?
Hi, singasho khona. Phakathi naphakathi. Complicated.
Akusimpendulo la.
Complicated.
So if let's say for example ungathola umjito omusha, what is it that you like from him?
Ini?
Ungathola umjito omusha noma if ungahlangana nomunye umjito, what are the highly chances that okay, what is it that you want from him? Like what are you expecting from him?
Yo. Ngifuna ngiphe like isikhathi nothanda bo enginakekele ayugayi onodlami.
Anyabuza.
Okay, ungaphasa ukele phone. Na iPhone ntwana. Thing assist.
So ngiyabona.
Yeah. Okay, sungambuza naye Miguel, feel free. Here's the mic level. Ndiyenze kanje.
Okay.
Okay, man. Shit. Nayi. Yeah.
So yini oyithandayo?
Ngithanda ukudlala ibhola. Into engithanda kakhulu.
Okay. So what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Red.
Yeah.
So laza ngikuzwa ukuthi uthe uba igama vele.
Igama lami Jason.
Jackson.
Jason. Jason.
So ukhuluma English vele noma?
Yeah, I do speak English, but sometimes ngiyakhona ukukhuluma nesiZulu.
Hey, he's not make sure. He's not make sure. He's a full kid.
Okay. Ngiyakuzwa. Mara mina sometimes English ngiyayizwa ne mara ayayay. Mina sometimes masikhuluma ne ushintsho sifake isiZulu. Ngoba ya.
Akula nkinga ngizozama ke.
Okay. Hayi, nasengicedile.
Okay. Lithi woza ngapha Krutman ke ngikuhlalise. It's been a long day. So Zweden and Bugatti, they were asking each other questions, man. So this is a time where we roll it up and put the heat heads, cause something big is about to happen and the show is about to get on fire. I don't know ukuthi bazoyenza kanjani masebebonene bafethu, but what can you say before kulumi? Don't forget to subscribe, Bugatti. But lamba fethu hit inengakhulu, and I'm taking off my t-shirt bafethu after this countdown cause nyashiselwa. So guys after I do the countdown liyakhipha ama tie it depends on how good you keep kanjani like okay shout. So bafethu 5 4 3 2 1 nyashiselwa man. Okay mbani uqala ukukhuluma mba. Oqala ukukhuluma mba. Nayi mic.
Yo. Angisaboni yo.
Yini kumnyama kakhulu.
Ayikashisa yo.
okay, I think umnyama, that's why she's okay. Ntwana, you can say, yeah.
Jackson. Alright. Ngiyaphila. Mara guys. Amuhle shem. Yo awumuhle ne. So uyasebenza noma uyafunda?
Uyasebenza.
Uyasebenza. Mina nginambuzo omningi for guy imane yini ibuzini.
Okay. Now ungambuza na mic mfethu. As you can see, how are you happy ngaye like you know from like yeah. Okuma expectations akho like feel free.
No, my expectations
yeah.
As long as vele mina naye sizozwana. Kodwa mina ngifuna ukutshela in advance now umuhle ntwana. That's all.
Now uthi nizozwana wena, do you think uthi nizozwana?
Ay mina vele I don't think shame. Ay guys kodwa into engayenza mara leyo mara hayi.
Okay ugeri uthi ngathi kakho okay wena yini I red flag oyibone ngaye?
Hayi na
Hey bana.
ubheka ncane.
Kasongo mbali nanga Kasongo mbona
Yo
yeah.
Yo guys hayi kuningi singasho kanje mara kuningi ngathi umdala lo muntu mara maybe ngifuna ngathi maybe yabo bantanga bobhuda bamira angisuyasheva
awulanda wakhombisa ukuthi ngiyasheva andlanje ngisasemncane.
God have mercy upon us.
hayi.
And when what can you say about you getting mfethu ama red flag ngaye?
Wala red flag here.
When you clean like go clean. So ma ubhekibonani ngakhona kumhendlisha clean.
Yeah. 100% my nigga.
So ntwana yena uthi uzimisele ngawe.
Hayi mina ngiyabonga hayi. So dinga abanye phandle bakhona abangcono.
So like so wena ntwana like awubona future like in this thing.
Future manje akune future shem ikhona iyabuya.
But like how do you feel like uthi ugeli ukhuluma kanje ithi wena nawe ne interest ngaye?
Angina flop bro.
Ana flop. Siqhubeka sama. Power to that. So siqhubeka sama. It's power to that. Like power to that. Bafethu, don't forget to subscribe Bafethu and tell me what you thought, like what you saw. Don't forget to comment on what you saw. If you saw something better, saw something, let us see before as you saw. There's no point. I don't think Kuruma Bafethu. See you on the next episode Bafethu. Tanko.
Hi guys, it's your girl, the prettiest finance, and it's me, of course. So guys, I'm having a Valentine's Day gift hamper, okay, for the lovers, and the whole brand is called Love Your Lover. And just in case you want to show your partner some love and you want to make them feel loved, because of course they've been with you, so celebrate them. I have hampers as shown to you there in the poster, and the prices, they range from 300 to 700. Delivery fee is 60 rand. It's the least you can do for somebody that you love. So guys, please buy, love your lovers and be happy. Mwah, mwah, mwah.